Hello everyone watching me on YouTube. This is Sushmit and welcome back to my channel. So last week I was in Dehradun. So me, my friend and my brothers, we went on a short spin on a bike, on two bikes. So we just got some amazing pictures over there. We just clicked some amazing pictures over there. As well as my friend had a drone. So we got some drone shots over there. Aerial view is just amazing. So Dehradun looks quite beautiful from top, and it looks like totally green. So I thought I'll post this video on YouTube in the channel. So I hope you will like it. Just check it out. So if you like it, just subscribe my channel to like my video.